Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the functions of this TD112. First go to the menu, long press A, and it's pairing, and this is set time. A is for setting. Now you can see you can change the time by press this one. If you want to change the second, you can press B to change the position. Now you can change the time. And this is the year, month, and date. You can also change it. Okay, that's quite easy. And the next is the promote. You can see this is vibrate time and display time, so you can change them. It's second. You can see if it shows no, if it shows on, which means you turn on the vibration function, and if you press A again, it shows off, on and off. If you want to change the position, press B. Okay. Can see that it's second, you can change it. Okay, that's it. Let's change another one. Okay, display time as well. You can see that it's in minutes. B for change position, A for change the number. Okay. The modes I will show it later. This is the language. English, Chinese, Italian, and when you confirm the language you want to use, just press B to go back, it will save directly. Name ID, it means the pager ID, which means the watch receiver ID, and also you press B to change the name. You can change the you can name the pager. Use the staff name. When you set, you can press B to go back. It will save directly. The next is default. Go to default. There are two modes, clear and reset. Clear means that it will clear all the call buttons and the keypad you have paired. And the reset, you will default the watch receiver, like you just received a new. And that's it. Thank you.